This time get your grandma out the seat. This time, you know what I'm saying? This time make you wanna move.
Today is the first day of my beautiful braid out, and depending on if I want my hair in my face or not, I will either separate it or put it in a bun. But I feel like for the first day, I really like to do this style because the curls are so perfect. It really lends itself to doing styles where you definitely cannot have frizz. I'm gonna take two pieces in the front out.
Hey, Watsonville, stand up. Hometown, stand up. Let's get it. Yeah, yeah. I saw the face on the left side. Know that it's my best side. Step into that west side funk. Watsonville, dreaming. California living. Everybody from the 831. Better know I got the hook, baby. What you gonna do? Hey, hey, yeah. See how they whipping that shit.
So this is day one style, super easy, just a ponytail. Okay, today's day two and it's raining, no, pouring outside. So I'm just gonna put my hair into a bun because I don't want it to get wet. I'm just running some errands.
The Impala speaker souped up, cause you know when they rollin' they gotta flex a little for the hometown love. Sliding through the Ville, what it do, what it does. Talking California, let me tell them what it was. Had to pop up on the scene to give the Central Coast some love. To give the Central Coast some buzz. Too smooth with it, baby, can't nobody tell me nothing.
And I'm gonna add a clip. I feel like for the most part, my hair will be covered. So this is what we're doing today.
What you know about the Berry City? Show some love, had to get it one time. Extra bounce with the fun, yeah, you know we finna slide out. Take me to the front, whole city.
Okay, today's day three, and I kinda already know what I want to do with my hair. Stick with me here.
Going crazy, baby, that's just what it was. Yeah, you already know what it is, baby. That's AC1 in the building. That's Watsonville, California. That's Santa Cruz, California. Salinas, Monterey, Seaside, Marina. You already know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Face on the left side, know that that's my best side. Step into that west side funk. Watsonville dreaming, California living. Everybody from the 831. Better know I got the funk, baby. What you gonna do? Better know I got the funk, baby. What you gonna do? Hey, slide from the left to the right. Got the hands in the oxygen. I'ma give them what they like. It's a party, baby. West side funk all night. Getting busy, feeling dizzy. Lead a glizzy on tonight. Let's roll. Do it for the middle. Cali coast too high. Baby, repping my city. I do the most big dog. All up in the back with the cholo stance. We big stepping, baby. Watch me do this dance. Face on the left side. Know that that's my best side. Step into that west side funk. Watsonville dreaming. California living. Everybody from the 831. Better know I got the funk, baby. What you gonna do? That's right, baby. And Casterville. Shout out Casterville. Television, watch me like new. Talk to me like you can free me. I be in my head, it's true, yeah. Ooh, la da dee, la da do. I be in my head like ooh, la da dee, la da do. It's true, yeah. It's kinda menacing. I'm in my head, I think, but it's cool. I think I overthink. You got the remedy, then come through. Please do. I got lots of time on my hands, but no time in my head was new. I got lots of love in my heart that I really wanna share with you. That's true. Talking from the baseline, I got lots of hang time. I can say you was mine, but I never been fine. I've been thinking backwards, I've been lost for some time. Who can help me find what's true? Television, watch me like new. Talk to me like you can free me. I be in my head, this with a brother like you. I've been on positive since I done started this. That's all I really can do. Hey, yeah. Talk like it's true. Yeah, yeah. All that I knew. Yeah, yeah. Catching the wave. Everything shining like every damn thing that I do. Ooh. I like starting fresh. I like giving more and in return asking for less. They say KAB the best, say man you the best. I say I ain't shit if I can't get outside my head, man. Yeah, television, watch me like new. Talk to me like you can free me. I be in my head, it's true. Yeah, ooh, la da dee, la da do. I be in my head like ooh, la da dee, la da do. It's true, yeah. Alright, here we go. Yeah. Jamel, where you at? Okay. Yeah. I've been working 9 to 5. You've been always on my mind. Yeah. I just wanna go home. Sitting on the Interstate 5. Driving could never ease my mind how I wanted to. Yeah. I just wanna know.
This is day 6.
When the sunrise, whoa, yeah. Whoa.
Today's day 6, 7. I'm losing track of the days at this point. The curls look really nice today. The front is looking really good because yesterday I slicked it back and put some hairspray in there as well. So that's holding up really nicely. And I like using hairspray because it doesn't flake like gel does. It's a little bit messy and it is like starting to err on the side of it needs to be washed. But this is when it starts looking so good because I like it a little bit unperfect. The curls are still there, but a lot of the definition is gone. It doesn't look perfect. And this is definitely how I'm gonna wear it today. These next few days are like, make plans in advance for these days, like today, tomorrow, maybe the next day if we can really stretch it.
Since you left me at my worst time, hold me closer so I feel fine. Whoa, yeah. Oh, nah. 'Cause the way you move on like you do, give me the west side blues, yeah. 'Cause the way you move on like you do, give me the west side blues, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, listen, this type get your grandma out the seat. This type, you know what I'm saying? This type make you wanna move. Hey, Watsonville, stand up. Hometown, stand up. Let's get it. Yeah. I saw the face on the left side, know that it's my best side. Step into that west side funk. Watsonville dreaming, California living, everybody from the 831. Better know I got the hook, baby, what you gonna do? Hey, yeah. See how they whipping that Chevy Impala speaker souped up, 'cause you know when they rollin', they gotta flex a little for the hometown love. Sliding through the Ville, what it do, what it does. Talking California, let me tell them what it was. Had to pop up on the scene to give the Central Coast some love. To give the Central Coast some buzz. Too smooth with it, baby, can't nobody tell me nothing. What what you know about the Berry City. Show some love, had to get it one time. Extra bounce with the fun. Yeah, you know we finna slide out. Take me to the front. Whole city going crazy, baby. That's just what it was. Yeah, you already know what it is, baby. That's AC1 in the building. That's Watsonville, California. That's Santa Cruz, California. Salinas, Monterey, Seaside, Marina. You already know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Nice on the left side. Know that that's my best side. Step into that west side funk. Watsonville dreaming. California living. Everybody from the 831.
I'm nearing towards the end of my hair cycle. When my hair stops looking good and it starts looking like one big clump, but at least for me, the hairs that stay intact are the ones that are right here. So if I put these in the back, then it looks like everything still looks good.
To the right, got the hands in the oxygen. I'ma give them what they like. It's a party, baby. West side funk all night. Getting busy, feeling dizzy. Lead a glizzy on tonight. Let's rock. Do it.
I think I need a mirror to see if I'm doing this right. Okay, so I actually fixed the other side because it was not going well. And I'll just continue with the unfinished side.
The middle Cali coast too high. Baby repping my city, I do the most big dog. All up in the back with the cholo stance. We big stepping, baby. Watch me do this dance. Face on the left side, know that that's my best side. Step into that west side funk. Watsonville dreaming, California living. Everybody from the 831.
See, after doing so many styles that involve smoothing the front of your hair, the front of your hair starts to look blown out and loses its texture. So this is a perfect way to do something with the front of your hair but still have the back of it out. And I love using grease instead of gel because grease gets soaked in and gel just creates more buildup.
That's right, baby. And Casterville. Shout out Casterville. Television, watch me like new. Talk to me like you can free me. I be in my head, it's true. Yeah, ooh, la da dee, la da do. I be in my head like ooh, la da dee, la da do. It's true. Yeah. It's kinda menacing. I'm in my head, I think, but it's cool. I think I overthink. You got the remedy, then come through. Please do. I got lots of time on my hands, but no time in my head was cool. I got lots of love in my heart that I really wanna share with you. That's true. Talking from the baseline, I got lots of hang time. I can say you was mine, but I never been fine. I've been thinking backwards. I've been lost for some time. Who can help me find what's true?
So this is it for all the hairstyles that I normally like to do during my braid out, and I think it went pretty well. I would normally go a couple days extra, but the next couple days are usually just buns. And you guys have already seen that, so you don't need to see it again. But thank you guys so much for hanging out.